What up, what's up? It's your boy Chewy Spice, and we're back here with another video. Today we got beef on the menu, and I will show you guys how I will chef up some beef. And there's another surprise in there for the video. You guys will see it's a full course meal. Getting my seasonings in there, getting some adobo in there. Um, the green sauce, I'm not gonna give you guys the sauce yet. I'm not gonna let you guys know what that is yet. Um, we did just add some garlic in there. I believe I'm adding more right now, or I was about to add it. Paprika, can't go wrong with spice. If it ain't Chewy's, ain't no spice in it. You know what I'm saying? We big on spice. Chewy spice for a reason. You know what I'm saying? It's a good paprika, whatever. So basically, we just seasoning our meat to get it ready and cooked up, all that good stuff. You can get this seasoning from your local Walmart. Sazon. We got some sazon in there. 2 packs to be exact. 2 packs of sazon. Me over here. Yeah, I'm about to order a tripod soon. So everything is about to get real crazy, real sturdy, real digital. I'm new to this, but I'm sure learning every day. I'm getting better. Look at the food looking real good, nice and seasoned. Gotta add some salt for sure. Not too much salt. We don't need that thing salty. Yeah, like I said. Mhm. Got my spices, got my pepper, got my, all the good stuff I want in there. So I'm about to let that chill real soon after I add this onion powder and the other ingredients that I have left. Uh, we're gonna add a tad bit of water to that, let that cook. And there is a surprise coming in here because it's a full course dish. It's a full course meal. I mean, so it's a full platter. It's not just the beef here. Got your green peppers, nice green peppers in there, cut up. You know what I'm saying? Nice green peppers cut up in there. Oh, look at that sauce starting to look real good, real drippy. How we like it? Well, I know how I like it. I know how I like my sauce. But this is just the beginning. What's coming up? Big surprise at the end.
Something about Bush Lee.